one.
So I did. I got ODI.
No. Introduce yourself.
My name's Stevie Churchill, 2038. Let's get this. Alright, it's Alex from our mains here. So, I got some ODI gum grips. About to be getting the, what are these? Odyssey purple grips.
Same color as us, right?
Yeah. I got some Sunday bars. Don't know which ones they are. Got a Sunday Freeze stem. I didn't get it mixed up with the headset. Got the FSA headset. Alright, alright, so, with the frame, I had the AM Plus and I cracked it right here all the way under. So now Sunday was nice enough to hook me up with this Radiocaster thing. I don't know.
It's black though.
I got these forks. They're Sunday forks. I got some Shadow. I got some Shadow Conspiraso.
You have to send me this so I can edit it.
Thanks. I got Sunday Cranks, Odyssey Twisted PCs. Oh, I forgot tires. I got Odyssey Hawk tires. About to be getting the Merit option. I think they're the option.
I've zoomed in so much in this video. Alright.
Got these lovely tight spokes. We're street as fuck, so we don't use valve caps. I got some bottom bracket. I don't even know which one. All right, so now let's flip the bike around. Wait, is that it? Yeah. I got a Shadow half link chain that I got for free.
Woodward.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I got the Woodward sticker right here. I got some Odyssey sprocket, don't know which one. Over here I got the same pedal, Odyssey Twisted PC, you know, keep it fresh. What else did I do? Oh yeah, I got the Sunday Lightning rims, both of them. Then again, we're street, so we don't use valve caps. I got a free coaster because free coasters for the win.
No.
And I got a Sunday seat, and this what is this thing called? Oh, seat post clamp. So now I'm gonna do a radical BMX maneuver. First, I'm gonna try to crank flip.
See, that was close.
All right, ready?
You want my address? Do them over there. Okay. You do that thing that everybody has to do. You know?
Whoa.
Smooth. Yo, back here so they don't see my address.
Alright. I'm gonna try. Put jam.
You have it. You had that.
Oh nope.
I'm gonna get low.
Got these pull-up bars.
Just that squeak.
Easy there. I got these 90 to 90s.
He moaned, guys.
One other trick that I've been waiting for Ed to show everybody is that I can do this.
Whoa!
Oh, that's pretty easy, bro.
Alright, end it. Thanks for watching. Say the words.
R.I.P.
He said R.I.P.